This has been a really good lawnmower. Bought it a couple years ago, a couple $100 used. It's a 42-inch cut. It's a Murray. Has a big O's 16.5 horsepower engine. Big old gas tank on that thing. I replaced the rear tires when I first got it. I replaced the front tires last year. This year it threw a belt. It needs a battery. So I just decided to go ahead and just get another one. And that's what the purpose of this video is. This was a good lawnmower. It was 6 cutting heights. And here's the speed control with the forward and reverse. It really did work good, but the gears, the transmission gearbox was getting a little loud, and it was time for a new one. So out with the old and in with the new. I just picked up another Murray. I used it a couple times to cut the lawn, so I'm speaking with a little bit of experience. I should have washed this thing before I did this, but hell, it's a lawnmower. 42-inch wide cut. It's a Murray M175-42, a 7-speed with a shift on the go. It has a 17.5 horsepower engine. And I'm telling you, this thing is nice. Compared to the other lawnmower, the other rider over there, this thing is just, it's great. It's like night and day. It's like driving a Cadillac. I'm telling you. An interesting feature of this lawnmower is it doesn't allow you to mow in reverse unless you specifically decide to do so. I don't know of any dangers of mowing in reverse, but if you have any issues with mowing in reverse, then this is the lawnmower for you. What happens is by default it's turned off, and to go ahead and turn it on, you got to go ahead and turn the key to this middle position and hit this button right here. Turn the key to the middle position and then hit this button right here. Little orange light will light up right here, and that shows you that you disabled the mow in reverse option. The mower's off right now. I'm not going to turn it on and destroy your ears, but there's really nothing to prove except for just mentioning that if you want to mow in reverse, you got to take the key from the start run position, turn it down here, push this button, and then this light will come on. And that means you can mow in reverse then. Interesting feature. I've never seen it before. I really don't know of any dangers of mowing in reverse, but if you don't want to mow in reverse, this is the one for you, like I said. You can get a mulching kit for this. In another video, I'm going to be installing, you see that box right down there, that's the bagger. I got a bagger for it. So, and I'm going to be doing that in another video, installing that. Just a real quick video to let you know that if you're looking for an economical, good lawnmower, I highly recommend this one. This is really a good lawnmower. It does everything as expected, and I'm really happy with it. Let's show the front of it. And then just so you can see, here's the original sticker that came on it. Murray 42-inch cutting deck, 17.5 gross horsepower, 500 cc, 18-inch turning radius. It does turn tight. 7-speed, shift on the go transmission, 20-inch tires in the rear, 6 cutting height options, and 15-inch front tires. Briggs Stratton motor, that's a positive. Got it at Walmart. You can scan this if you want to check and see what your cost would be in your area. So go ahead and give that a scan if you want. And like I said, this is well worth it for the money spent. It really, really delivers for a consumer. You know, for just a regular Joe, not looking for anything really big. Okay, just wanted to go ahead and give you a quickie on this one. 7-speed Murray M175-42. I highly recommend this one. This is really good. See you in a future video when I install the grass catcher. So, as always, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down if you just thoroughly hate this video and you retch when you hear my voice. And you know what? Leave a comment below. I'd like to hear why you hate me. Have a great day. Bye.